The first thing I see whenever I got here is, although this is a wet area where you got a toilet that could leak, a sink that could leak, a bathtub that could overflow or leak, it looks like the air conditioner, central heating air, has been leaking down. They've already replaced the floor once, and it's been running down through here, and this had linoleum. And then they took the linoleum up, and then it got underneath the linoleum, which is quite likely. But what happens is, come over here with this A coil, if you don't change the filters, and sometimes they're in the door, this works just fine. If you don't change the filters, like this one's totally clogged up, this thing will ice up. And it will overflow. There's a plastic pan right here. It doesn't have very much room. Let's see if I can get this light.
Yeah, that's better.
That light in there, see, there's not much of a pan. And you need to clean these coils once a year at least. So there's a drain that comes out of this pan right here. You need to clean that out once a year at least. And so clean your coil, clean those things, and change your filter every month. But this wasn't done, so it overflowed, went down, hit the floor, and soaked back and went back into here. I can promise you that's what happened. So what I recommend to avoid this, and for your air conditioner to run good, is to clean the coil. That way it pulls air through it regularly, and like it's supposed to, and change your filters. Again, the same as if you took your car and put your mud over top of the radiator, or put your hand over your mouth running up a hill. You're asking a lot of that air conditioner, and it will freeze up if it's restricted that way, or if it's low on freon, it'll freeze up and go past the pan, which only has like a ½ inch of room in this case, and then it'll just run water down, and then you'll have water damage on top of a non-running properly air conditioner.